Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I ordered some masks from Shein. So I'm going to try these on and let you have a look at their quality, the effectiveness, and the design and style. So you can decide for yourself whether you would like to order them from Shein. They're very cost effective. I will put links to all the items in the description below, and these took about a week and a half to get to me, so I think their shipping is very efficient considering these times. So first off, I have a plastic face mask. Second, I have a floral mask. I have a white mask, a lovely sun hat, a khaki mask. This one's for my son, but I'm going to take it out and try it on anyway. And a lovely yellow sundress. So sit tight for a moment. I will change into the sundress and then we can have a look at the masks. Here's the yellow sundress with the hat. The hat is, I like the hat. Here's the sundress. And now let's try it on with some masks. So I don't know if you can hear me, but this mask is a full protective clear mask. It fits like a visor and it's comfortable. It's not too tight. This is a good mask there's quite a few unpredictable people out there in the world right now who are spitting, and this would definitely protect your face very effectively against somebody who is trying to spit on you or sneeze. And it still gives you a clear view of your face. It doesn't touch your face, so if you're wearing makeup, this won't get makeup on a cloth mask. It's a nice alternative for something that's just a little bit of a switch up if you're tired of things being stuck to your face. This mask is a nice twist to a very medicinal looking mask. You don't want to wear it with lipstick on because it does touch the lips, but it's a nice mask if you just want to have a little bit of protection, and perhaps if you have to go into an office, you could wear this in the office. And it doesn't provide a huge amount. It's very thin. This is a very thin material, but it does offer a little bit of safety and peace of mind if you're going out. So I wanted to open this mask because I just wanted to show how nicely Shein packages their items. It was in a very individual plastic bag, and the mask itself is wrapped around a perfectly designed cardboard fitting for it. So I always, for the cost of these items and the way that they are packaged, I'm always very impressed with the quality and the standards that Shein goes to in their packaging. So I didn't want to talk with this mask on because again, I'm wearing lipstick, and this is one that I got for my son. It has skateboards on it, so it will be a nice, it has cotton in it, and he tends to get very hot in the medical masks that we have, so I'm hoping that this offers just a little bit of an alternative for when we're out on our bike rides. Something that he can wear just again for peace of mind and in case it does become mandatory to wear masks. I didn't speak while wearing this mask as well because I'm wearing lipstick and it would definitely have got on the mask. So I recommend with these masks, do not wear makeup. Put on your eye makeup, that would be fine, but everything else you can just leave makeup free, aside from sunscreen. Remember to wear your sunscreen. But all in all, I'm very pleased with these masks. I think they offer a much more stylish alternative than a very medical mask. As of now, we aren't required to wear high grade PPE. So for peace of mind and also for even just good manners, I think sometimes with the way things are right now, that it does show a bit of common sense and kindness to wear a mask, just to say, hey, I'm trying to do my part. So these were the masks from Shein, and this lovely yellow sundress, as well as a sunny summer hat. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please click subscribe. Stay safe, be well, and have a great day.